Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find deleted text messages on Samsung. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Messages app on your Samsung phone. If you archive the conversation instead of deleting it, you can easily get it back. Tap on your profile icon and select Archived. Here you will see all archived conversations. To restore one, tap and hold the chat, then tap the Unarchive icon to move it back to your main inbox. If you permanently deleted the message, you need to restore it from a backup. Go to Settings and scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Tap on it, then select Restore Data. Choose the account that has your backup. You may need to verify your email before continuing. Once verified, select Messages and restore the data to your device. So that's basically how you can find deleted text messages on Samsung. That's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.